Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share this really beautiful Glam cut crease with black lips. I was inspired by a photo I saw, and the lady had a beautiful glam kind of look. The look was completely different from this one though, and this is just what I wanted to do on this day. And then she had black lips and I was like, ooh, I want to do something like that. So we're going to use the AOA Studio eyeshadow primer. And of course I have my e.l.f. powder to catch fallout, and we're using the Santee Pop Pastel pencil and number 7 as our secondary base. We'll also be using this WetnWild Not a Basic Peach palette. This palette's amazing. Why haven't you went and found it and got it? It's amazing for $5. And we're taking that beautiful burnt orange transition color. We're really going to be packing this into our crease. We're gonna build this up like no other. We're going to be sweeping it. We're going to be doing blending circles, pouncing it in our crease to get max color payoff. I'm also going to blow out the lower lash line with that as well. And we're going to go in with a deep, dark, chocolatey brown shade, and there's so much fallout with this one, so make sure you tap off your brush. We're using this color to essentially line our crease and just give depth to our outer corner. So I'm really going to be packing that in, and it doesn't matter if it looks like crap right now, because we're gonna go in later and fix that. So just get your colors laid down, get your blending up there done. And I'm taking the brush with the burnt orange color on there and meshing those two shades together. I'm going to be taking that beautiful shimmery champagne-y kind of shade and applying it to the brow bone. And first I used a stiffer brush to place the color, and now I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend that out. To bring warmth back to the look, we're using that same brush that has the burnt orange shade on there to blend and mesh the highlight shade with the crease colors. Now we're going to be using the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer and applying that to the lids. We're going to allow our lid to touch our crease area, and that's going to show us where our crease line should be drawn. Personally, I think it's a bit high for my eyes. I almost have hooded eyes, but for this look I just really liked how it turned out. So just blend that out. And I'm also taking this little pencil brush with some of that dark brown, and I'm reshaping that a bit because it got a little wonky shaped. I'm going to do it to both eyes. You can always clean up your crease lines doing this. So just get some on a little pencil brush and go on. Now this is old, but it's the Loreal Hip Duo. Remember these guys? This is the best one you could ever buy. It's called Electrified. And look at that beautiful metallic shade in there. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I am doing a combination of sweeping, patting, and dragging this metallic shade to get the most metallicness out of it, if that makes sense. It's absolutely gorgeous. This shade is stunning, and hopefully you still own this duo. This is the only L'Oreal Hip one I kept around because it's that amazing. The shade is just so nice and creamy and applies so well. So we're just going to continue to work on our crease area and blending, all that goodness. Wiping away our fallout. I'm just cleaning up the lower lash line a bit there with a brush. We're using the Milani Stay Put eyeliner to tight line our upper waterline. And now I am using the L'Oreal, I believe it's Infallible liquid eyeliner. And I'm just doing a really thin strip of liner up there. And I'm going to be using the Jordana 24-hour eyeshadow pencil in Continious Almond. Another staple that you need. This does not budge. It lasts all day on the waterline. I'm using the LaColors Wowie mascara. And for $1, this mascara does do an okay job for apply a couple coats and go on. And yes, that's our finished look. Isn't it gorgeous? It's so beautiful. And of course, with those beautiful black lips, you can pair this look with any color, you know, any lipstick you personally want. I feel like wearing. But I used Broadway's lipstick in the True Matte line in Blackest Black. And yes, that's all for our tutorial today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful like always. Stay tuned for more tutorials, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming videos.